Today we are in Sundew Close. I'm very excited about this one. It's one of my favourite properties I've had the pleasure of marketing in a very long time. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 really good sized doubles, 2 singles. It's detached. If you're looking for living space, then this is the property for you. Downstairs is ginormous. You've got a great big kitchen diner. You've got a room that was a utility that's been added on a little bit to have a nice little snug lounge area with a log burner in there. You have a conservatory. You've got this amazing driveway, which you can get 12 to 14 cars on, 14 being the max the vendor's ever got on it, which is huge. You have even more space here if you come back with me through these lovely gates here, which creates a bit of a carport area if you wanted more cars again. You have a west-facing garden. It is just the most amazing property. I'll shut up. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so if you are even close to being as enthusiastic about this one as I am, please get in touch. I would love to show you around. Equally, if you'd like me to book a valuation on your property, then that would be great too. Speak to you soon. Thank you very much.